Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that's truly set to revolutionize how we interact with Amazon Web Services. If you've ever wished you could just tell AWS what you want it to do, instead of wrestling with complex command line interfaces or intricate SDKs, then you're going to love what we're talking about today. AWS has just dropped a game changer, the v1.0. Zero release of the AWS API Model Context Protocol, or MCP, server. And trust me, this isn't just another update. It's a giant leap forward in making cloud management more intuitive and powerful than ever before. Imagine streamlining incredibly complex cloud management tasks using nothing but your natural language, your spoken or typed commands, and having a system instantly translate that into syntactically correct AWS CLI operations and execute them flawlessly. That vision is now a significant step closer to reality, enhancing efficiency and accessibility for everyone from seasoned developers to operations teams. So, what exactly is the AWS API MCP Server v1.0.0? At its very core, this innovation acts as a sophisticated interpreter. Picture a bridge, connecting the incredible power of cutting-edge foundation models, those FMs we've all been hearing so much about, directly to the vast and intricate ecosystem of AWS APIs. This isn't just about simple commands. It's about enabling these foundation models to understand and execute intricate cloud operations without the need for manual command construction. Think about the time saved, the reduction in potential human error, and the sheer accessibility it brings. It truly revolutionizes how users can manage their AWS resources, making advanced cloud functionalities approachable for a wider audience and automating workflows that previously demanded specialized scripting knowledge. This server facilitates the direct creation and execution of CLI commands straight from your natural language prompts, opening up entirely new avenues for intelligent automation and incredibly intuitive interaction. Now, this v1.0 release isn't just about that core functionality. It comes packed with a whole host of enhancements designed to improve configuration, boost usability, streamline integration, and significantly strengthen security. Let's break down some of these key improvements. First off, they've significantly reduced startup times and trimmed down several dependencies by converting the suggest AWS command tool into a remote service. This means a snappier, more efficient experience right from the get-go. Security, which is always paramount in the cloud, has been bolstered with improved secure file system controls and much better input validation, giving you greater peace of mind. For those of you who prioritize observability, a big win here. Customers already using the AWS CloudWatch agent can now collect logs directly from the API MCP server, simplifying monitoring and troubleshooting. To support diverse hosting and configuration needs, the server now offers streamable HTTP transport, adding to the existing STDO option. This means more flexibility in how you deploy and interact with the server. And for human-in-the-loop workflows where human oversight and approval are crucial, reliability has been greatly improved through the inclusion of elicitation in supported MCP clients. This allows for more iterative inputs, making those workflows much smoother and more reliable. Control and compliance are always top of mind, and the API MCP server addresses this directly. It can be configured with additional safeguards, allowing users to deny certain actions outright, or even require explicit human oversight and consent for any mutating operations, ensuring you maintain full control over your cloud environment. And here's something exciting for the experimenters out there. This release also introduces an experimental tool called Get Execution Plan. This tool provides prescriptive workflows for common AWS tasks, essentially offering guided paths. You can access this by simply setting the experimental agent scripts flag to true, It's an excellent way to explore best practices and streamline complex operations. So, how do you get your hands on this game-changing technology? The AWS API MCP Server v1.0. 0 is readily available and offers some very flexible deployment options. You can configure it for use with your MCP-compatible clients through several popular MCP registries. If you're a fan of containerized deployments, you'll be happy to know that the AWS API MCP Server is also available as a container in the Amazon ECR public gallery, which simplifies deployment and management considerably. But here's one of the most exciting aspects. Embracing the true spirit of open innovation, the AWS API MCP Server is completely open source. That's right. You can visit the AWS Labs GitHub repository today, right now, to view the source code, download it, and begin experimenting with natural language interactions with AWS APIs. This open source approach is fantastic because it encourages community contributions, allows for deeper integration, and provides endless customization possibilities tailored to your specific needs. The release of the AWS API MCP Server v1.0. 0 truly marks a pivotal moment in making cloud management more intuitive and powerful. By empowering foundation models with natural language capabilities to interact directly with AWS APIs, it promises to unlock unprecedented levels of automation and accessibility for everyone working with AWS. With its robust enhancements in performance, security, and flexibility, coupled with its open-source availability, there's never been a better time to explore how this innovative server can transform your AWS operations. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the future of cloud interaction and start experimenting today. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the latest cloud technologies, and let us know in the comments below how you plan to use the AWS API MCP server in your workflows. We'll see you in the next video.